Lobby. Lobby.
Please wait for me in the lobby. I will be with you shortly.
The information desk is located in the center of the lobby.
There are comfortable chairs in the lobby for customers to sit while they wait. Waiting area. Waiting area.
Please have a seat in the waiting area until your number is called.
There are magazines in the waiting area for you to read while you wait.
The waiting area is to the left of the entrance.
Bank clerk. Bank clerk.
The bank clerk will help you open a new account.
If you have any questions, the bank clerk can assist you.
You need to provide your ID to the bank clerk. Token number. Token number.
Please take a token number from the machine and wait for your turn.
When your token number is displayed on the screen, proceed to the designated counter.
I lost my token number. Can I get a new one?
Counter. Counter.
Please proceed to the counter to complete your transaction.
There is a long line at the counter during lunch hours.
The bank teller at the counter will help you with your deposit.
Teller. Teller.
The teller will assist you with your deposit.
Please go to the next available teller for assistance.
The teller can provide information about your account balance.
Open a bank account. Open a bank account.
I would like to open a bank account for my savings.
What documents do I need to open a bank account?
Can you help me open a bank account today? Cubicle. Cubicle.
Please follow me to the cubicle for a private discussion about your account.
The loan officer will meet you in cubicle number 3.
You can complete your paperwork in the cubicle for more privacy.
Vault. Vault.
Could you please show me where the vault is located?
The bank keeps all its valuable items, like gold and important documents, in the vault.
Only authorized personnel are allowed to enter the vault. ATM. ATM.
You can use the ATM to withdraw cash at any time.
The ATM is located outside the bank, next to the entrance.
If you forget your PIN, you cannot use the ATM.
Withdrawal. Withdrawal.
I need to make a withdrawal from my checking account.
Please fill out this form for your withdrawal request.
The ATM allows you to make a withdrawal anytime.
Kiosk. Kiosk.
You can check your account balance at the self-service kiosk.
The kiosk near the entrance allows you to make deposits without waiting in line.
If you need help using the kiosk, our staff is available to assist you. Deposit. Deposit.
I would like to deposit this check into my savings account.
You can use the ATM to deposit cash or checks after hours.
The teller will provide you with a receipt after you make the deposit. Check. Check.
I would like to deposit this check into my account.
Can I cash this check at the counter?
Please sign the back of the check before depositing it.
Signature. Signature.
Please provide your signature on this form to complete the transaction.
We need your signature to authorize this check.
Make sure your signature matches the one on your ID.
Checking account. Checking account.
I need to transfer money from my checking account to my savings account.
Can I order new checks for my checking account?
There is a monthly fee for maintaining a checking account.
Savings account. Savings account.
I would like to open a savings account, please.
Can you tell me the interest rate for a savings account?
What documents do I need to bring to open a savings account?
Joint account. Joint account.
My spouse and I would like to open a joint account.
What are the requirements for opening a joint account?
Can both account holders access the joint account online? Minimum balance. Minimum balance.
What is the minimum balance required for this account?
Is there a fee if my account falls below the minimum balance?
Can you explain how the minimum balance works for this savings account? Interest rate. Interest rate.
What is the current interest rate for a savings account?
How often does the interest rate change?
Is the interest rate fixed or variable for this account?